How to get Google Satellites map. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the different view of satellites in maps. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see this small icon. Tap on the small icon. So this is the section where there are different maps type available. So as you can see, you are in the default one. Here there is satellite and terrain too. Here I'm selecting satellites. So if you go back, the whole interface has been changed and it is exactly shown in the view of satellites. So as you can see, every specific place zoomed in is the real actual place or the picture of it. So this helps in identifying the places even more and will be useful in the map. And for watching this video, I hope this video will help you.